Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Hi, I'm Justin with Mason County PUD 3. It's around this time of year that we get a lot of phone calls from our customers saying that their electric bill is much higher this month than it was in months previous. I'm here to talk to you a little bit today about some of the things that can impact your energy bill around this holiday season and maybe help give you some tips and pointers on how to keep your electric bills low during this time. Decorating our homes and yards with Christmas lights is another great holiday tradition. These days we have many options when we go to the store to purchase Christmas lights. In my hands I have the standard small miniature Christmas light, I have a new LED miniature Christmas light, and I even have a C7 or a C9 LED Christmas light option as well. In my other hand I have a kilowatt device. This is a device that lets us plug in an electrical load into the outlet, and it'll tell us the amount of consumption that that electrical load is using. I'd like to do a little test and see just how much energy the LED Christmas lights can save us and how much they can cost over the course of a holiday season. Let's take a look. Okay, first up on our test, we have 3 strands of 20 mini lights clear. This is the traditional Christmas light. And I chose 3 strands because I want to get the same amount of light as the LED strands that are coming up next. So I'm going to plug it in, and here's our light output. Alright, so we've got 3 strands of 20 lights each for a total of 60 lights, and our wattage is 26 watts on the kilowatt device. So if you leave these lights on for 8 hours a day, that's what our Christmas lights are on, from 4 p.m. to midnight, that'll cost you about 40 cents a month. That's with the traditional Christmas lights. Let's try the LEDs. Okay, so the LED product that we're using is an Energy Star rated 50 LED mini lights. And that's going to be about 12.5 lighted feet. The traditional Christmas lights that we use 60 lights, and for a total of 15 lighted feet. So let's plug it into our kilowatt device. Alright, there we go, 50 LEDs, and the total wattage is 2.5 watts. So this will cost you to run 1 strand 4 cents a month, running it at 8 hours a day. So much cheaper. I mean, we're talking about the difference between 40 cents and 4 cents, but definitely much cheaper. Okay, our next trial is with this strand. It's 25 LEDs, C7 lights, or C9. That's the bulb size. They use the same LEDs in each of them, so the electrical usage will be the same. So let's plug it in. Here we have 25 bulbs for 15 lighted feet, and our usage is 1.9 watts. So in order to power this strand for a month at 8 hours a day, it'll cost you 3 cents using PUD 3's residential energy rate. So really you can see that there's not much usage at all for our Christmas lights. Now, that is just 1 strand, so you'll have to remember to add the total wattage of all of your strands together. If you want to do this, you can pick up a kilowatt device. They're about $20 at most home improvement stores, and you can use Mason County PUD 3's energy usage calculator for free on our website at www.masonpud3.org/howmuch. It's a really helpful tool when you're trying to calculate how much your appliances and electrical devices cost in energy each month. Well, if it's not our Christmas lights that are using so much energy, what could it be? Have you noticed that it's been getting colder? That's because it's winter time. If you have an electrically heated home, your heater is working harder to keep your home at a comfortable temperature. When you're home, set your thermostat to 68 degrees. When you're sleeping or away, set it back to 55 degrees. For every 1 degree reduction in a thermostat, a customer can expect to see about a 2 to 3% reduction in their electric heating bills. Be sure to change the filters in your heating system at least once a year. They're relatively inexpensive, and most are quite easy to install. This will ensure that your heater can breathe easier and therefore not have to work as hard, consuming less energy. Make sure that you're getting your heating system serviced by a certified HVAC technician on a regular basis. A malfunctioning heating system can cost a lot of money in additional electricity consumed. when it's not working properly. The holidays are a great time to have guests over. Maybe family comes from out of town to stay with us. That means that we have more people in the home, which means that there is a greater impact on the home's energy usage. We have more hot water being used, more showers and longer showers, perhaps baths. These are all drains on our electric water heater, and that means that the water heater has to consume more energy to keep up with the higher demand. Many holiday traditions involve cooking, and when we're using our electric ovens more, or an electric stovetops, that's more energy that needs to be used to cook our food. So all of these things have an impact on our holiday energy bills. We hope that this information has been helpful to you. To learn more on ways that you can reduce your energy consumption during the holiday season, please visit www.masonpud3.org/holidays. If you plan to be away for an extended period of time, please visit www.masonpud3.org/empty-home to learn ways that you can reduce your energy consumption while you're away. From all of us at Mason County PUD 3, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Thanks for watching.